Hello children, your Arun sir going to teach mathematics. Dear children, today we will discuss about the complementary and the supplementary angle. Complementary angle. Complementary angle, if the sum of two angles are 90 degree, they are called complementary angle, and each of the angles are called as complement of each other. If I will ask you to find the complement of 60 degree, complement of 60 degree, just subtract from 90 degree minus 60 degree, and it is 30 degree. But if I will ask in hour and minute and second, how will you subtract it? If I am asking you the complement of 60 degree and 20 minute, means you have to subtract it from 90 degree, means 90 hour you have to subtract 60 degree 20 minute. But it is very difficult to subtract 60 degree 20 minute, means 60 hour 20 minute from 90 degree. What to do here? You can write 90 as 89 minute, 89 hour and 60 minute. This understood or not? Instead of 90 hour, we can write 89 minute and 89 hour and 60 minute. Now it will become easy for us to subtract. 60 minute minus 20 minute will be 40 minute, and 9 minus 0, 9, 8 minus 6 to 29 hour 40 minute. Same is the case with the second. Suppose I am asking you to find supplement if the sum of two angle is 180 degree, it is called supplementary angle. If I am asking you to find the supplement of 40 hour 50 minute and 39 second, find the supplement of now what you will do, you have to subtract it from 180 degree or 180 hour. Now you can write 180 hour as 179 hour 59 minute and 60 second. Try to understand it. I have asked you to find the supplement of. Supplement means we have to subtract it from 180 degree or 180 hour. We can write 180 hour as 179 hour 59 minute 60 second. Now we can easily subtract 40 degree 50 minute 39 second. Now subtract it. 10 minus 9, 1. 5 minus 3, 21. 21 second. 9 minus 0, 9. 5 minus 5, 0. And 9 minus 0, 9. 7 minus 4, 3. And 1. 139 hour, 9 minute, 21 second is the supplement of that given angle. So I am sure you have understood it. Now related questions related to clock. In a clock, one complete round made by minute hand is 60 minutes. And in a watch or clock, here is the clock. This is suppose 12 o'clock, 6, 3, 9, and a small hand is here, and this. Now my question, what is the angle formed between minute hand and second hand? How many minutes it cover? 15 minutes. Now in 60 minutes, angle made is 360 degree. In 60 minutes, the angle formed is 360 degree. In 1 minute, angle formed will be 360 by 60, means 6 minutes. So in 15 minutes, therefore in 15 minutes, angle formed will be 15 into 6, and that is 90 degree. Dear children, try to understand this concept that 1 minute forms 6 degree. Then according to that you can find the time and you can find the angle formed between those hands. Now let us go to the exercise. We have to discuss exercise 2, and our first question, question number 1, find the measure of acute angle, obtuse angle and reflex angle. Question 1. See here, this is the condition A, O, B, C. This is 60 degree. This is 50 degree. Our question is, find the measure of acute angle. How to write acute angle? See here, AOB, and it is equal to 50 degree. Acute angle BOC is equal to 60 degree. Next question, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means more than 90 degree. Obtuse angle AOC. AOC is equal to 60 plus 50, and it will be 110 degree. Next question, reflex angle. Reflex angle AOC, this side, that will be the reflex angle. AOC subtract from 360 degree. So 360 degree minus 110 degree, 0, 5 and 2. 250 degree, and that is the answer. Dear children, you can do question number 2. Now next question. Next question. Question number 2. One I will do, rest you have to do. Question number 2. At 2 o'clock, what are the acute angle and the reflex angle between minute hand and the hour hand of a clock? At 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock, just to make you understand, I am teaching, must be on 12 and this on 2. This is the angle formed. So how many minutes are formed? 10 minutes. What I have told you that in 1 minute 6 degree. So 10 minutes, therefore in 10 minutes angle formed is equal to 10 into 6, that is 60 degree. Dear children, you must have understood what I have told, that in 1 minute the degree formed is 6 degree, because in 60 minute degree form is 360 degree. So in 1 minute it will be 360 by 60 and it is equal to 6 degree. So in 1 minute degree formed is 6 degree. Now question number 3. See, we will do question number 3. Write the complement of each other. First question, complement of 36 degree. Very easy. Subtract it from 90 degree. 90 minus 36. And 10 minus 6 is what? 4. And 8 minus 3 is 5. So 54 degree is the answer. So it is very easy to find the complement. But when I will ask you to find the complement of such type of question, let us see question number 3, 7. Find the complement of 65 degree, 22 minute and 44 second. Dear children, you have to find the complement of these angles. So complement means you have to subtract it from 90 degree. You have to subtract it from 90 hour, 65 hour, 22 minute, 44 second. What you can write it? You can write 89 hour, 59 minute and 60 second. Is it not 90 degree or 90 hour? Yes, it is 90 hour. Now subtract it. 65 hour, 22 minute, 44 second. Subtract it. What you will get? See here. 10 minus 4, 6. And 5 minus 4, 1. So 16 second. 9 minus 2, 7. And 5 minus 2, 3. 37 minute. 9 minus 5, 4. 8 minus 6, 2. So answer will be 24 hour, 37 minute, 16 second. So dear children, I am sure you will be able to find such type of question. Now, question number 4. Question number 4 is write the supplement. In the case of supplement, you have to subtract it from 180 degree. Same is the question. In case of complement, you have to subtract from 90, and in the case of supplement, you have to subtract it from 180 degree. Question number 5. Choose the pair of supplementary angle. If their sum is 180 degree, it means they are the pair of supplementary angle. First question, let us find out question 5. Question number 5. Question is, choose the pair of supplementary angle. Let me do the first one. 19 hour, 40 minute and 160 hour, 20 minute Let us add it. 40 and 20, 60. 60 minute. And 9, 617 and 1. 179 hour, 60 minute. Dear children, we are knowing that 60 minute means 1 hour. So what we will do? 179 hour plus 1 hour. Instead of this, we can write 1 hour and it will become 180 hour or 180 degree. So this pair is supplementary angle. If their sum is 180 degree, the pairs will be called as supplementary angle. Same is the case. Question number 6. Choose the pair of complementary angle. Means their sum must be equal to 90 degree. So dear children, today we have solved exercise 2, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next video we will discuss the next part. Thank you very much.